Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and open your Total Learning Package, or TLP, on a Mac. The TLP contains all your learning materials for your module, so it's really important to get it downloaded and working as soon as it's available to smoothly start your learning journey. Start by opening your web browser and going to mla.ac.uk. Click the Student Login button at the top of the page, and a pop-up window will appear. Enter your registered email address and password. If this is your first time logging in, or if you've forgotten your password, click the Forgotten Password link and follow the prompts to set up or reset your account. Once your login credentials are ready, enter them and click Login. After signing in, you'll be in the student area, and your name should appear at the top of the page. Your current modules will be listed. Click on the module you want to access. This will take you to the module page, where you will see information about the module and a preview of what it will look like once downloaded. On the module page, click the View Module Files button. This button takes you to a list of all the files ready to download. Because each module is split into several parts, it's important to download every file listed. When downloading, take them one at a time. Wait for each part to download fully before you start the next. This is a really important step. It might take a little time, but it helps prevent errors later. As a Mac user, you only need to download the files that end with a numerical sequence, like 01, 02, 03, and so on. Do not download the .exe file, as this is only for Windows users. Before opening your downloaded files, you'll need software that can extract zip files. For Mac, we recommend using the Unarchiver, a free app available from the Apple Store. Install it if you don't have it already. Once the Unarchiver is installed and all your files are downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Find the file that ends with 001. For example, 601_0126.7z.001 and double-click it. The extraction process will start. Please note, this may take a few minutes depending on the size of the module. When the extraction is complete, a new folder will be created. The folder name will usually include the module code and term. For example, 601_0126. Open this folder, and inside you'll see a file called Start Here. Double-click this file to open your module in your default web browser. From here, you can navigate the content using the links provided, just like a website. However, you do not need an internet connection. To access your TLP again in the future, simply go back to the folder and double-click Start Here. And that's it. By following these steps, your TLP will be downloaded, set up correctly, and ready for you to start your module studies. If you run into any technical problems during this process, you can contact the technical support team at technical@mla.ac.uk. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your studies.